Hello friends, in the series on income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important case which is based on the issue that whether the assessment for the years which are prior to the date of the search can be completed under section 143 subsection 3 after 1st April 2021. This issue has been decided by Chandigarh ITAT A bench in the case of Jamna Das Nikkamal Jain Saraf Private Limited versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case is reported in 137 ITR Tribunal at page number 183, and the date of the judgment is 4th November 2025. In the present case, there was a search on the assessee, and due to that search, the assessment of the assessee for the assessment year 22-23, which was the year which was prior to the date of the search, was completed under section 143 subsection 3 by making various additions which were confirmed by the CIT appeal, and so the assessee was before the tribunal. When the assessee was before the tribunal, the assessee raised an additional ground that in the present case the assessing officer has erred in making the assessment under section 143 subsection 3 for the assessment year 22-23, which is the year prior to the date of the search. When the matter was heard by the tribunal on this additional ground, the tribunal was of the view that section 143 subsection 2, which are general provisions for completing the assessment under section 143 subsection 3, gives the power to the assessing officer to scrutinize the return of income of the assessee in case where the assessee has understated his income or has underpaid the taxes. The tribunal said that when a search is initiated on the assessee under section 132 after 1st April 2021, then in that case the assessment of the assessee can be completed under section 147 read with section 148, and it is a special provision for taxing that income which is discovered in consequence of the search. The tribunal was of the view that explanation 2 to section 148 is a complete code in itself, and it is a special provision, and when the assessing officer gets some material for the income escaping assessment of the assessee, then the notice under section 148 should have been issued for the prior years by taking the approval from the appropriate authority. The tribunal said that in the present case, when the search was initiated, then the assessing officer do not have the power to complete the assessment under section 143 subsection 3 for the prior years, because there is a maxim that general special bus non-derogant, which says that the special provisions override the general provisions. The tribunal said that in the present case there was no doubt that there was a search on the assessee. So according to that, if the assessing officer want to assess the assessee for the prior 3 years, then it will be presumed that the assessing officer do have the information for those years, and the notice under section 148 should have been issued by taking the prior approval of the specified authority, and similarly the assessment of the assessee under section 148B should have been taken before completing the assessment. The tribunal said that in the present case, section 148 explanation 2 is attracted, and since it is a complete code in itself, so in that case the section 143 subsection 3 assessment which was continuing or which was triggered by the assessing officer should have been abated by the assessing officer in the assessment under section 148. The tribunal said that although in section 148 there is no non-obstantive clause like which was there in section 153A, but from the plain reading of section 148 explanation 2, it is very clear that whenever a search is being made, then the assessment of the assessee will be completed for the prior years under section 148 and not under section 143 subsection 3. Friends, this case is very important because in a number of the cases there was a mistake by the revenue in making the assessment under section 143 subsection 3 even after the search has taken place. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Jamna Das Nikkamal Jain Saraf Private Limited versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case is reported in 137 ITR Tribunal at page number 183, and the date of the judgment is 4th November 2025. Thank you, friends.